Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to jump peak in Valorant. Basically, the mechanical of jump peeking in Valorant is really good, and every one of us must know how to do it. Basically, the jump peek will help you a lot to know where your enemy is at without really peeking with your forehead or like whatever it is, your body parts. So, first of all, guys, I will need you to go to, for example, let's go to play and let's go to custom game. And let me just make this deathmatch and let's go to this map. So let's go ahead and click on start and let's start the match. So they will ask me to like pick an agent real quick, so I will just pick one. Here we go. Let's wait a little bit. And basically, guys, yeah, the most method that pro players use is jump peeking to actually know where the enemy is at, because pro players, you do something like that, they will aim in your head and they will one tap you. So the only way that they actually can like check a point or check a spot without dying is by jump peeking. So now let me just reduce the volume here. Let me how you can show you how you can do it. So my favorite spot, which is I really like to use this method in it, which is over here in the B side. So let me just show you really quick. So basically, guys, if you did that, like first of all, I would need you guys to not do this. So if you are going to peek in any way, anyway, like you don't want to like jump and peek, but you want to like peek for real to kill somebody. Please, guys, don't do something like that, because going next to the wall is actually bad, and the enemy will actually see you faster. What you can do is basically just go from this area. So go from here and boom and go back, boom and go back. So this is, for example, sometimes you'll be playing in this area and you are here watching this spot, but sometimes the enemy just pick and kills you really fast. The enemy is not really fast, but somehow being like working far away from the wall makes the enemy look pretty fast. So guys, this is an information that I wanted to share with you, so make sure to do it. Now, how we can actually jump and peek? Basically, first of all, don't do this mistake with a gun. So a gun is not really good, so jump peek. So pick a knife in your hand, because as you know, with the knife in your hand it will run even faster. So make sure that you have a gun in your hand, and then I highly don't suggest you guys to look in the game itself, but look in the map. So look in the map, which is at my left top left corner. So here we go. For example, I jump and I go back, I jump and go back. So if I did that, I'm not going to see them really in the game, so in my screen, but you will see them in the map, like for a like half a second, like a split of a second, they will be appearing in your map. So this thing will really help you to jump peak. So yeah, guys, that was today's video. You can use this technique in any spot possible, as long as there is space next to it. So for example, here you can't really use it, but you can, for example, use it from here. You can use it from both sides, so you can't really use it here, but you can use it from there as well. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.